Let's get your brand new Crystal's garden hose reel trolley put together in no time. First, unbox everything and lay your components out neatly. Grab the short bar and push the 2 plastic corner joints onto the ends to form your bottom base. Now, take your 2 vertical support tubes and slide them firmly down into those base joints. Next, pop the 3-way plastic connectors onto the vertical tubes. Make sure the screw holes are positioned facing outwards, exactly as pointed out right here. Slide the U-shaped front stand into the bottom slots and tuck the main handle right into the top slots. Grab your screwdriver and secure the joints using the included screws to lock the entire frame together. Now, unscrew the central water connection components to prepare your main axle kit. Position the first side reel disc inside the frame and slide the orange axle right through the center. Add the second disc on the opposite side, insert the crank handle and twist the outer connector cap on tight. From there, simply snap the 2 curved central drum panels directly into place between the 2 discs. Finally, slide the wheel rod through the rear base, push the wheels on, and pop on the locking center caps. Just like that, your lightweight, rust-resistant trolley is fully assembled and ready to easily hold up to 60 meters of hose.